So in order for you to join a Zoom meeting, first of all, you need to access your Zoom invitation. So it might usually be in the form of an email like this. So over here in the email, you can see that there's join a Zoom meeting link, which you can click to go to the Zoom meeting, or you can use the meeting ID and password as well. And this is what we're going to use in this lesson today. So to enter the meeting ID and password, first of all, open your Zoom client. And a good thing about this is you do not actually need to sign in or have a Zoom account to join in a meeting as a guest if you have the meeting ID and password. So just click on join the meeting right over here and then copy the meeting ID right over here. So paste out the meeting ID right over here and copy the password out as well. So just keep this meeting ID and you can see all of this is here. Now once you click join, it'll actually join in the meeting, and if there's a meeting password, which usually there is again, then you need to enter that out as well. I'm just going to paste the password that I copied earlier and I'm going to press join meeting just like that. And now I'm joining in the meeting and it says please let the meeting host let you in. Okay, so please let the meeting host let you in. So once the host admits you inside, the meeting will start up. So you'll be able to join in the meeting. So over here you can see that this is the meeting. So if you want to enable your computer audio, you can click on join with computer audio. Not going to click anything right now to avoid echo errors because I'm actually using my mobile phone right here. So I'm just going to continue this out right over here. In order to start the video, I'm going to click on start the video right over here. And now my computer webcam is turned on right over here, as you can see. So this is my mobile phone view and this is my computer webcam, as you can see right over here. So if you want to start talking, then what you can simply do is click on join audio right over here. So this is one of the ways in how you can join in the meeting. So let me just leave the meeting right here, right over here, and then click on leave the meeting, and that'll end up the meeting. So that's one of the ways to join the meeting. The other way is to click on the link right over here. So let's just click on the link and it'll open up another page with Zoom. So even for this, the Zoom application has to be installed. So you can open that out right over here. And once you open that out, it automatically enters the meeting ID and the password, and you get the same notification right over here. And as soon as the other person lets you in, then you will join in the Zoom meeting right over here. It's connecting, as you can see. And now I'm just going to close this, not going to join the audio right now. And there you go. So you can enable the webcam again and see just like before. So that's how you actually work out, and then you can leave it again. There's several different ways to actually access the Zoom meeting invitation as well. So if your Zoom meeting invitation was out of contacts, then you may need to log into your Zoom account. So for that, you need to go to zoom.us, just like this, and you need to log into your account over here from over here as well. So just sign in right over here and then sign in with your email address and password, of course. So just sign in. And once you sign in the profile, you'll be able to see on the left side meetings right over here. So let me just save this. Over here in the meetings section, if there's any meeting that you have upcoming meetings, then it'll be over here. So you can access it from here as well if the other person has invited you for the meeting via the Zoom contact. So you can see that over here as well. So let me just close this out. Another thing that you might want to know is that you can sign in by using your Zoom email address, of course. So I'm just going to type in my email address right over here. And once you sign in, okay, I got my password wrong. Okay, so once you sign in, what also happens is that if you have a meeting and someone has invited, so seems like there's a new version, I'm just gonna close it for now. So now, if someone invites you to the meeting, via the contacts, then it might get accumulated over here as well. So there are different ways of accessing the meeting invitation. So basically, you need the meeting ID and the password, and you'll be able to get in the meeting. So that is how you join a Zoom meeting by using the Zoom client. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.